Hello, I'm Botha. I was recently asked to comment on the gender-based violence in the professional environment and the labour law protections surrounding that. Gender-based violence doesn't stop at the front door of the workplace. In South Africa, GBV in professional environments is recognised and regulated through labour law. Conduct such as sexual harassment, bullying, intimidation, stalking, coercion, and abuse linked to power imbalances is prohibited, whether it happens in the office, during work-related travel, or even online. Employers have a legal duty to provide a safe working environment. This duty arises under the Employment Equity Act, the Labour Relations Act, and the 2022 Code of Good Practice on the Prevention and Elimination of Harassment in the Workplace. Huge title, very important document. The code requires employers to take proactive steps, including having clear anti-harassment policies, providing training, creating safe and confidential, very important, confidential reporting mechanisms, and responding promptly and fairly to complaints. For victims, there are several options that are available. An employee may report the conduct internally through HR or management. The employer must investigate the complaint in a manner that is, again, here's this word, confidential, fair, and trauma-informed. Very important. Where misconduct is proven, disciplinary action, including dismissal, may follow. If the employer fails to act, the employee may approach the CCMA or the Labour Court. In very serious matters, where continued employment becomes intolerable, a claim for constructive dismissal may also arise. Importantly, protection orders under the Protection from Harassment Act can also be extended to cover the workplace where a perpetrator poses a risk there. Employers who ignore complaints, fail to implement policies, or allow harassment to continue may themselves be held legally liable. Gender-based violence is not a personal issue when it affects work. The law recognizes the safety, dignity, and equality as essential to a healthy and productive workplace. I hope this is of assistance.